Hello, hello. We are back with some more of our folio video projects. So first of all, we made the folio, and then I just did a good video about sewing signatures in. And I wanted to give you a quick update and do this on camera. But if you remember from the first one, I didn't put this piece on because I wanted to hide this stitching. So I just wanted to show you on camera. And I go ahead and I use my art glitter glue because the thread is thicker, and so it usually works a little bit better than, say, like a glue stick to really get that piece down. And I'm just kind of gushing that glue around so I know it's coming on both sides. And it's really gonna hold that nice and secure. All right, so that's done. I'm gonna let that dry and we'll be good to go. So I just had two projects that I wanted to do today. Let's make sure we have this right side up. There we go, because that would be really sad. So I just have two pieces I want to show today. First of all, we have this one. Now this is going to be a triple pocket. I actually sized this specifically for these pockets. So you can spread them out however far you want or whatnot. The cards will come just to here, so you don't have to worry about a tag sticking clear up. So let's go ahead and start gluing those in. These can be used completely separately on a page as well, I should say. So you could just have like two totally separate pockets, and they're still sized to fit these tags that go with them. So this is also in the February subscription kit if you want these exact ones, or you can just cut your own out from whatever and the concept will be the same. So I'm going to go ahead and glue close to the edge as I can, and I'm not going to need a ton of glue. And the bottom really doesn't have to be absolutely glued, just a little. And I'm starting with the back pocket, the tallest, and I'm just gonna start putting these in where I think I would like them. And every time I put one in, I'm just gonna flip that over. Make sure that you're not interacting with that hinge right here. Okay, now we're working with the medium size. It's like Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear, right? This is Mama Bear. And now I'm gonna kind of eyeball this because I want this bottom one coming clear to the bottom. So I wanna kind of make sure that that middle pocket is kind of centered. Okay, that looks good. And now for baby pocket. There's two different sets of these in the kit, so you could use either one. They're interchangeable. And they're just fun. It's a fun and easy project. And that flap is going to be awesome. All right, I wanted to kind of do something fun on the front. You're gonna have room. There's, I hope, I always say this, there should be plenty of room in this journal. So we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a good amount of glue down. This cotton thread sometimes is a little bit finicky. And I will just trim that off after it dries. Okay, this cute little butterfly is in the kit, and I really just love how it kind of offsets this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that guy down too. He probably won't stick all the way down because he's going on that thick piece of lace. So that's okay if he's a little three-dimensional. Oh, this would be cute. I have this cute thing too. I'm gonna stick it under there. Or no, it needs to go under because the butterfly is sticking up. But it'll just be a cute little extra. And it's even okay if he sticks off the page a hair. So all of that is in the February subscription kit. And again, I will link that just in case that you want to try to do it exactly or very close to this. All right, now we have our 3 tags right here. Baby tag, mama tag, and daddy tag. And I just thought it'd be fun to stamp. I have these cute little things that are designed to go here, but I lost one of them. So I'll use these for something else and we'll just stamp this time, and that's okay. It really won't matter. All right, they're so tiny. I'm not gonna worry about getting my blocks out. And I'm just going to eyeball. Oh, that was good. That's why I should get a block out, huh? Not bad. All right. And I just have some tiny ones because there's not a ton of room. So I just grabbed them. These are Tim Holtz stamps, if you're wondering. We all love our Tim Holtz stamps. I went ahead and did brown ink. But I just think it's fun to have something sticking out the top when you put them in pockets and you can't see much. It's just fun to have something up top there that's just beckoning for you to investigate. All right. Those pockets are nice and dry now. Oh, look how cute. And there really is plenty of room in these pockets, so don't stress it. There we go. Okay, that little page is done. Let's do one more on this video, and because I don't want to have to make 200 videos of all the little pieces. Let's get my stamps over there. All right. This flap here is going to be a little bit easier. I just have these really cute pockets. So this is going to come right in here. So these I printed on a lightweight cardstock. They're in the kit as well. I really tried to just include things in the kit so that you guys can see what you can do with this. And then I folded these flaps back and I've inked everything. Sometimes I like to have my pockets have a flap, and sometimes it's okay to just glue them down. It's really up to you. But I like how you don't lose any space in the pocket when you do it flaps. Do it with those flaps. Okay. And I'm gonna set it kind of close to the bottom because we have some tall ephemera that's gonna go in there. But making sure that that's gonna flip closed and open really easily. All right, we have this tiny coin envelope. So I print my envelopes on regular weight paper, just printer paper, because I like the feel of it. It just feels a little more authentic to me, I guess. So we're just gonna glue this envelope together. I've cut it, I've inked it, and now I'm gluing it. I think it's fun to have kind of a fun little extra right here where the envelope seals. These are in the kit. I should tell you, I printed them on cardstock and then I mounted it on a piece of craft cardstock. So I just like the extra thickness of it. And then I cut them all out and inked them, and they make really cute little embellishments. So just a heads up that I did mount that on the craft paper as well. And they're really just thick and chunky and they make you happy. All right, so I had this scrap of coffee dyed. It was left from a strip that I had used. So I'm just putting that in there for journaling in that cute little coin envelope. And that's gonna go in here, but I wanted to decorate the front just a little. So I just have this fun little seal. I don't know what you call it, emblem thingy. I just like to use them as background. So put that on. And then another one of those. There's like 100 of these tiny little embellishments to just play with. Oh, I'm kind of tempted. It's gonna be sticking out, so I'm kind of tempted to put, I do have this little teeny bit of leftover lace. Maybe I'll just do that little bitty bit. That's fun. It just adds some texture. Let's do it. Let's see how I want that. Yep, just like that. I moved that lace up because I don't want it to interact with this pocket, so that's why I did that. Always glue, huh? Okay, that's fun. You could do some more stamping or whatnot if you wanted. All right, so we have the envelope with some fun decorations, and then I just have this piece of ephemera. There's a couple of pages of ephemera in the kit, and I just like to have that because it's this tall element behind that little coin envelope. So I just wanted to add that in to give that tall element on that tall, skinny page. I'm trying to decide. Sometimes I like, when I have a pocket, I like to tie it into the page with a little bit. So I'm trying to decide if it works with this. Oh, I think I like it as it is. Maybe I'll add a word or something later. But for now, we're gonna leave that. So that concludes today's 2 little projects. We have this wonderful stacked pocket that is just cute. And we have this page with our tiny coin envelope and some ephemera in this lovely pocket. So that's where we're at right now. It's starting to fill up. We'll keep working on it, and we'll keep adding projects to this as we go, and you'll be there to see every step of the way. Oh, upside up. There we go. So thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.